Hello, everybody. Time for another episode of a husband reviewing his wife's new perfume. This one's from Lattafa. It's called Abiyedh. I'm going to mispronounce that terribly. Coral. I'm just going to call it Coral from now on because apparently Abiyedh is is like a series that they have out, and this one's Coral. This one has heavy notes of fruit in the opening, so I love that stuff like crazy. I love fruity fragrances, and this one apparently does the job. We got this on pre-order, and it was finally arrived today. And yeah, it was $28 plus the tax and shipping, I believe. So it wasn't that expensive, and there was a discount code that I was able to apply to, like 5% off. So like it basically took care of the shipping cost. So it was like $32 after taxes for 2 ounces or 60 mils. So pretty good price, all things considered. There's 50 mils out there from designer brands that are crazy expensive. This is not too terrible. What the actual notes that are included, it says on Lattafa's US website, a luscious blend of peach, watermelon, and orange. And that's legit. That's it's absolutely correct. That is the smell you get. It is strong. You throw out 2 sprays, it's like you're just hitting the face with this wonderful bouquet of watermelon, peach especially, but the peach and watermelon are the most notable. The orange is there, just not as extreme, but the watermelon and peach, it just smells like the closest thing I can give you to it is like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, kind of that kind of aromatic kind of smell. Think about that. That's what you get from it. From there, according to Lattafa's website, it breaks down to the middle notes of coconut with some white floral. Stays very tropical. I'm gonna be honest though, that the watermelon sticks around for an awful long time, all things considered. Normally, like those fruit notes don't last too long, but you get the watermelon, the coconut, and the florals kind of in the middle, and then finally it dries down completely to a very strong vanilla. The vanilla, however, is accompanied by that coconut, and again that initial top note of watermelon just stays with me for some reason. I'm sensitive to it, and it just smells wonderful. There you can see the atomizer. Great presentation, fairly standard bottle, nothing too special about it. Very classy, very elegant. A lot of Lattafa's bottles are crazy and outlandish. This one's fairly simple, which is kind of nice. Again, they're trying to match up with the rest of the Abiyedh series they have. But yeah, overall, super satisfying scent. It is marketed as being unisex. It is extraordinarily feminine if it's unisex. I do not view this as a men's fragrance unless it's like maybe like the youngest of men, like you're in high school and you just don't mind smelling fruity, that kind of thing. It is not masculine in any way. However, what I will say is it's very feminine. It's I would say definitely a young woman could handle this and be no problem. It's a very youthful fragrance because it's just the fruit. Very summer, daytime oriented, spring, summer. This is not really a fall or winter scent, so don't wear it in the fall or spring unless you just kind of like that style. But yeah, overall, it is a very lovely, feminine, youthful scent. Tons and tons of fruit. That's the biggest thing I pull from it. It's just like it smells like juicy fruit. Just is what you gotta get hit in the face by, and it's in the best kind of way. It is just a beautifully done fragrance. Overall, really happy with it for under $30 plus the taxes. It's just again, Lattafa throwing out bangers all day long. And this is also the first truly summer fragrance from Lattafa I've ever purchased, and it holds up. It's a really nice scent.